All right, basically welding 1 is going to be an introduction to all the foundations needed to enter into the welding area safely, and then how to properly maintain your metal and prepare it, and then strike an arc and run in a consistent bead. And that's where we're going to start off. And then as you start off and you get better, we'll progress you using the 6010 1/8 rod and the 7018 332 rod. And that's where we start. That's all the basics. Being prepared safely to get into the welding environment, and then how to prepare your metal, and then start your welding process.
Where the first level 1 is an introduction, learning how to control an arc and run a bead. Now they have learned that, we're actually applying it to a pipe situation, critical piping. So now they'll weld the pipe up and we'll bend test it to see if it holds. Piping, it's a little advanced, it's a little bit more advanced than plate welding. It's all welding in general. With plate, you know, typically you want it to be strong and hold because it's a structural integrity, you're gonna hold up a building. Piping is a little bit more critical because you never know what they're gonna be running through that line, whether it be, you know, water, sewer water, or natural gas, or some kind of chemical, or some kind of solvent that they got going through there. They don't want it to leak, and it must hold pressure.